Hello and welcome to my channel. I am recording the intro a day later, but let me tell you, the tacos were bomb. So if you want to learn how to make them, just keep on watching. Before we get started, I'm going to give you a little bit of a warning. The tripas stink when you pull them out of the bag, but don't get discouraged by that. And also, it is a labor-intensive recipe, but the tacos are so good. Now let's get started. For this recipe, you are going to need beef intestines. Here I have 5.5 pounds. You will also need salt, beef bouillon, 1 medium onion, 3 peppercorns, half a head of garlic, and 1 bay leaf. Before you start cleaning the intestines, go ahead and put 12 cups of water to boil at medium heat. And then you are going to add 2 cubes of beef bouillon, which is equal to 4 teaspoons if you are using the powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a head of garlic, the 3 peppercorns, the bay leaf, and half of a medium onion. While the water boils, we're going to go ahead and clean the beef intestines. And to do that, you are going to flip them inside out. So the best thing to do is to put your finger through it, and once you have a piece flipped inside out, you're going to pour water in the middle and it will flip. We are going to do the same thing for every single one. If it has too much fat, you can use scissors or a knife to cut off the excess fat. And that's going to help you flip it a lot faster. So I'm going to put them into a colander to let all of the dirty water drain out. Now you're going to rinse out the sink and repeat the process until you feel comfortable. I usually do it about 5 times.
When you finish cleaning the intestines from the inside, go ahead and turn them back out and give them another rinse.
Now we are going to put them into the pot with boiling water. Before you put them into the pot, make sure that the flavor is to your liking. For me, it is perfect. If you think it needs more salt, go ahead and add it. If you think it's too salty, just add a little bit more water. Go ahead and add the intestines and let it boil for 2 hours. My pot looks a little bit small, so I'm going to be taking some of the water out, but that should not change the flavor at all. While you wait, you can make your salsa. You can dice your onion. And finally chop your cilantro. After about 2 hours, the intestines should be pretty soft and you can go ahead and drain the remaining water. This is how much 5.5 pounds made, and now I'm just going to roughly chop them so that I can fry them. Now we are going to go ahead and fry the intestines. Ours look like this, but it just depends on how you like them. We like them very crispy. And now we are going to make our tacos. And this is the finished product. Now to enjoy. I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, please make sure to subscribe, comment down below if you do anything different. Share this with your friends, and I will see you in the next video.